Hi, Jav Weather here with a video looking at heavy flooding in Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina, on November the 5th, 2021. Heavy rain caused rivers to burst their banks, causing the flooding of nearby areas, with cars stranded. Power cuts and landslides were reported, with schools closed and factories stopping work on hospital supplies. Roads have been cut off, with authorities working to reinstate transport links in affected communities. Residents have been advised not to leave their homes until the flooding subsides. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.